Do you want to learn how to quickly and easily clear your Safari history on your iPhone? In this short tutorial, I will show you step-by-step instructions for clearing all of your browsing data. After watching this video, you'll be able to keep your online activities private, start fresh with a new browsing session, and even free up a tiny bit of storage space on your device. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Safari. Once you find it, tap on it. After that, scroll down a little bit, and you'll see an option called Clear History and Website Data. So go ahead and tap on that. Clearing will remove history, cookies, and other browsing data. History will be cleared from devices signed into your iCloud account. Simply tap on Clear History and Data. And now it is asking if you also want to close all tabs. I'm just going to select Close Tabs. And now it will clear all of the tabs and all of the history on Safari. After clearing your Safari history, if you previously were logged into any websites, you have to log back into them. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.